Hi, Mr. Polo. This video is to answer the second activity about what can I think or imagine for the future. And the first thing that comes in my mind is the flying cars. For me, it's not that hard to imagine a car actually flying because, well, I don't know if there's airplanes. It's not so hard for me to imagine a flying car. The thing that comes like in a confusing way in my mind is how would traffic be, because I know the like for example for the airplanes there's a lot of space around. Well, I think so. And when they're going to land, there's some people that helps them with some things for them to see. And like um, there's like a big thing in their landing and when they're going to go up. So I don't know how it will be like so many cars in the air and how they will land. That's actually what I can like wonder. I mean, like what I can like what can make me ask myself if that's possible. But speaking about just the flying car, that's not so hard for me to imagine. Another thing is the tube to travel. That's the same thing as the thing of the car. I can imagine traveling in a tube, but what I can't imagine is how would the person feel flying at that speed. That's what I like actually don't understand, or what I can't imagine. And at last or least, the for example in the banks and some places where the people needs to identify themselves like in a really important way. There's like these things with the fingerprints. I think maybe in the future it will all be like in the airports right now, that the people like identify themselves with this camera that takes the picture. I think maybe that's going to happen in banks and all these places where people needs to put the fingerprints, because no all the people, especially the oldest, has like the fingerprints very clear. So I know they will have to maybe look for another way to identify people. So that's it. That's what I think may happen in the future in technology.